Eheyciga Memory Foam Dog Bed. The Eheyciga orthopedic dog bed is thoughtfully designed to provide superior comfort and support for dogs of all sizes, especially seniors or those with joint issues. Featuring a combination of memory foam and egg crate foam, this bed ensures even weight distribution, reducing pressure on joints and promoting restorative rest. Its sofa-style design with three-sided bolsters offers excellent neck and head support while creating a secure, cozy space for pets to snuggle. The soft fleece sleeping surface enhances comfort, making it an inviting spot for a peaceful night's sleep. For convenience and durability, the bed includes a waterproof layer beneath the fleece surface to protect against accidents, though the faux linen sides are not waterproof. Available in medium, large, and extra-large sizes, it caters to a wide range of breeds. Maintenance is simple with its removable, machine-washable cover secured by a zipper, ensuring cleanliness and hygiene. Just remove the foam insert before washing, and allow the bed to fully expand within 24 to 48 hours after unpacking. Combining comfort, practicality, and durability, the Eheyciga orthopedic dog bed is an excellent choice for pet owners seeking a supportive and cozy resting place for their furry companions. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.